Everyone, including you, makes 35,000 decisions every day. Now imagine if anyone would ask you to explain and write down why you made every decision. That's a lot of writing. And this is exactly what companies are asking their workers to do. So workers really spend a lot of time in entering data, and this is the problem we're solving. My name is Domenico Crescenzo. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Screevo, and in Screevo, we empower workers do what they do best, create value with their hands. We are an enterprise software as a service company, providing a voice assistant and working with the supply chain market that we value at $370 billion. Currently working with several multinational companies such as Philip Morris International, Bosch, Johnson & Johnson, Takeda, and many others. And the problem that we're solving is very easy, but it's very spread all over the place, data entry. Because the data entry experience is terrible. Consider that workers basically need to use paper forms or go to workstations that can be far away, or even use smartphones, which are not very handy if you're wearing gloves or you simply have your hands full of oil. And it's also extremely expensive for companies. In an average factory, McKinsey estimates that $600,000 per year are spent. It's 30% of a worker time, just entering data. And this is why we came up with Screevo. Screevo is the hands-free voice assistant that saves hours of data entry while ensuring worker safety and also data accuracy. The three main ingredients that we have in Screevo are an offline speech engine that is trained specifically for the use case, that runs on the edge, and that has the possibility to handle the worst pronunciation, or like mine, for example. It has a flexible configuration module, a no-code platform that empowers customers to build their own conversations, because this is extremely important, especially working with corporates. And finally, the possibility to be integrated with any software system via API REST interfaces or RPA agents. There are a few success stories, but the two most important ones are warehouse management, where we built a voice layer on top of SAP, a very famous enterprise resource planning, saving 2 hours per day per worker, or maintenance activities, because this is also a use case where it's extremely important to have hands-free. And in this case, we also worked not only with voice, but also taking picture with the smartphone. So what I'm asking you today to unlock our growth is your expertise, your connection. If you're a senior or you know someone, come and talk to me because I can learn something from you. And this is extremely important. And also we are raising a seed round to enter the US market and also to grow our commercial and sales operation. We have an amazing team supporting this vision and supporting the development of the product and the business. Today we are backed by investors in Italy and in the Silicon Valley area, in particular Boost VC. And we are in the advisory board of the University of Groningen in the Netherlands. You may ask why, because they are the only one offering a Master of Science in Voice Technology. And we are one of the 5 companies in this advisory board. I want to close with this slide, which is not industrial, but it reminds us of our vision, because hands can really express personalities, and it is very sad to spend time on a keyboard. Thank you very much.